afternoon, honorable judges and all of the opposite team that I respect. Okay, today we are from the government team, stand with the motion. This House regrets the belief that journalists should be covered both sides of current affairs. Before we move very far, honorable judges, I will tell you the definition, context about this debate. So, opposite team, journalists are formed for searching real fact, not just for being a recording machine. Norm is both same or false equivalency. This is a condition where the media feel that they must give a stage, duration, and validate, even if one side based on scientific fact and one side is based on lie. We don't reject a fair coverage on politician issues. In equivalent is equivalent, which is equivalent, but we reject the obligation of blind neutrality, where there is a clear scientific consensus. Why is this belief dangerous and regrettable? Because our world today isn't short of information, but rather of validation. When the media takes our perspective as equal, they aren't being objective. They are sacrificing truth for the illusion of neutrality. Moving to my argument, I have two burdens of proof. The first is about legitimation of lies and disinformation. So when the journalists require to cover both sides equivalency on every issue, the media indirectly give instant legitimation to the irresponsible group. I will give you the real example. On this issue of climate change, 99% of scientists agree this is a real human. However, into anything. To fulfill the principle of both sides, journalists often present one scientist and climate change denier on the same stage, and the impact is the viewing public will assume that scientific community is split 50-50. This obligation damage public literally and slow down the action to save the earth, because the media validates lie as alternative viewpoint. So my second BOP is about the erosion of journalists' moral responsibility, and we will move to my last argument. A journalist's primary duty is to be a watchdog until a guardian of the truth and a protector of the public. Forcing journalists to be neutral on humanitarian issues is to be them of their moral function. So for the real life example, when systematic discrimination against minority groups or racist policies occur, the media cannot be neutral, presenting both the perspective and victim of racism and treating their arguments as valid and worthy of coverage is a journalistic crime, and it will have an impact. The media hold up justice, they will hold up justice, but rather facilities hate speech. True journalism must side with facts and humanity, not empty and naturally. So, honorable judges, journalism must return to its original purpose, whereas the purpose is that to speak the truth when both sides are forced, and issues where there is already clear right and wrong, the media is lying to the public. Therefore, this motion must prevail for the sacrifice journalism with integrity. Thank you.